nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be making cabbage wraps. I can't wait to share this recipe, so let's begin. Here are the ingredients that we need. First, remove the cabbage leaves. Then, add some salt, 2 4 cups of water, and let it boil. Once the water boils, drop and blanch the cabbage leaves for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can now remove it from the heat. Set the leaves aside and cook the ground pork. Preheat the frying pan and add some oil. Then, saute the onions. Followed by our garlic. After a few minutes, we can now add the ground pork. Add spring onions. Then, put salt and pepper. Cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool down a little bit. Once the meat is ready, we can now wrap it. melt cheese for extra flavor. Steam the cabbage wraps for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove it from the steamer and let it sit for 5 minutes before eating it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.